Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Skikk Lynx 4. Now, special shout out to Skikk for making this video possible. They sent me this unit to be checking it out, reviewing it. My opinions will be my own. If there's any downsides to it, I will point it out. But thus far, it looks pretty damn awesome for the price. You can check out their site. They offer a lot of laptops and computers. You can fully customize them, increasing the price, of course, but the prices are super reasonable comparing it to the rest. Now, let's check it out and see what you will get.